Today is Thursday. And tomorrow is?
Friday.
Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is your favorite day, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yesterday. What was it yesterday?
Mm,
Yesterday was?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay. So, are you ready for today?
Yes, I am.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. So today we're just gonna learn about different kinds of birds. Okay.
Birds.
What are birds? What do you know about birds?
They fly.
They fly. And birds usually have different parts of the body. What do they have? What parts of the body they have? They have a beak, the mouth.
Beak, beak.
Mm-hmm. What else? What do they use to fly?
Wings.
So they have the wings. Wait, I'm gonna share my screen so you can see it. There. You see the screen?
Yes, I do.
So the first one is the eye, of course. How many eyes does a bird have?
Two.
You have two eyes, the left and the
Right.
right. And then they have the head, of course. What is inside their head?
Brain.
They have a brain also, so they can think. And this is what you said. What is this?
Beak.
The beak. They use this to what? To speak.
Broke the eggs.
Okay, they don't use it to speak?
Yes, beak.
To speak to other birds. But mainly this is used to eat also. And then they have, of course, the body. And then they use this to fly. The wings.
Wings.
They got this,
Tail.
the tail, this one,
Feather.
feather, and the
Leg.
leg. What do they use the leg for?
Walk.
They use their legs to walk.
For land.
Yeah, they got two
Legs.
legs also. Okay, so that is the body parts of a bird, similar with a parrot. What is your favorite bird, Raim?
Mm.
Do you have a favorite bird?
Parrot.
Parrot. Why do you like a parrot?
Because they talk.
True. There are so many, about 1,000 kinds of birds. Okay, but these are just some of them. These are just some of them.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this looks beautiful. This is your favorite bird, the parrot.
Parrot.
Okay, so let's identify the birds if you know all of them. Let's start with this. Oop. Yeah, there. Name the bird game. Okay, there are so many kinds of birds. First one.
Name the bird.
What is it?
Cockatoo.
It's a cockatoo.
Cockatoo.
Cockatoo. Do you know this in Korean?
No, I don't.
소농,
Is that right? Oh, it's different. No, I don't think that's the translation for that.
Yes.
Google is confused.
Yes.
Okay, so in English it's
Cockatoo.
cockatoo. This?
Name the bird. Stork.
Wow. This one is a little bit different. Look at the beak. The beak is a little longer. This?
The bird. Vulture. What's
Vulture. Vulture. Do you like this bird?
vulture?
Vulture. This looks very sad. All brown and gray.
Name
This
the bird.
one.
Oh, woodpecker.
Woodpecker. This loves wood. That's why it's called woodpecker. Yeah. This
Name the
is
bird.
a
No. Goose.
goose. Goose. This is a little bit different from a duck. It's black.
Name
This
the bird. Swallow.
the
It
name
swallow
is
everything.
maybe it swallows everything. That's why the name is swallow.
Name the bird. Raven.
Raven. This is black. When you see a raven, this is all black.
Name the
Oh,
bird.
same.
Raven.
Raven. This
Name the bird. Cassowary.
cassowary. This is like a combination of peacock and a duck because of the color. Yeah, cassowary. This one.
Turkey.
Turkey. Do you eat turkey?
No.
No. What is the difference of turkey and a peacock?
They have beautiful feathers.
Yeah, peacock usually have beautiful feathers, but turkey usually is just black or gray, dark color.
Yeah.
This
Name
is
the bird. Hoopoe.
hoopoe.
Cute.
Hoopoe. This
Cute
looks
name.
cute. Yeah.
Name
What
the
is it?
pelican.
Pelican bird. This one has a big mouth, so it can eat fish like this. So this is a pelican.
Name the
This,
flamingo.
yeah, you know this very well. Very cute bird. This,
Name the bird. I know in Korea. Peacock.
pigeon.
Pigeon. What's a pigeon?
Pigeon.
비둘기,
What is it?
비둘기,
Yeah, in English, pigeon.
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 Penguin. I love penguin.
Yeah, penguin. Wow, that's so cute. It's hiding.
It's
It's hiding.
under that penguin.
Okay.
The bird.
Crane.
Name the bird. Parrot.
Parrot. It's
Toucan.
toucan. Toucan has a big mouth. It's similar with the parrot, but this one has a big beak. Big beak.
Name the bird.
What is it? It's a
Hawk.
peacock. This has very beautiful, beautiful, colorful feathers. Last one.
Name the bird. I don't know. Ostrich.
Ostrich. What is ostrich in Korean?
That is
하죠, 하죠,
In English?
ostrich.
Ostrich. Good. Okay. Let's go with the other questions. This one. Facts about birds. Okay,
All
first.
birds have feathers. No.
That is true. Yes. All of them have feathers.
Sir.
They don't have?
Oh.
They do. Okay.
Birds are
Aren't vertebrates.
not that.
Vertebrates because
Because they don't have backbone. What's a
vertebrates and invertebrates. You never learned that yet? So vertebrates.
척추동물,
Vertebrates and invertebrates. Next time we're going to learn about that. So they are vertebrates, animals. Yeah. Okay. Because they have a backbone. Birds have a backbone. Otherwise, they will be like worms.
Yeah.
They will not be able to fly if they don't have a backbone?
Birds aren't warm-blooded.
Warm-blooded.
Doves.
That is
Penguins.
false. Because they are warm-blooded. That means they have a blood that is warm. Unlike snake, they are cold-blooded.
Birds defend
Themselves.
with their bill or beak.
Okay? Defend means they fight
True.
using their bill or
True.
beak. That is true. What do you think? There are 9,000 species of birds. There are 9,000. Wow. Penguins,
Don't lay eggs. Yes, they do. So,
they do. So this is false.
some birds don't lay eggs. Else.
False. All of them lay eggs.
Birds breathe slower than any other animal. False.
False. They breathe very fast.
Birds may eat insects, pests, small animals, plants, fruit, and seeds. True.
True.
Birds can see colors. False.
False. They can see colors.
Not all birds can fly, but all birds have wings. True.
All birds have 2 legs and 2 feet.
True.
That is true. Good job. Okay, that's it about birds. So we're gonna go with our picture for today. So we're in chapter 26, adjectives.
Adjective.
First word
Fat. Oh, very
is fat.
when it's the opposite of thin.
That's right. Why are people fat?
Because they eat so much and do not do exercise.
So if you don't exercise and you eat a lot of food, you will get fat. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Bad thing.
Yeah, you can be sick if you're fat.
Mm.
Okay.
Fun.
What is fun?
Fun is it's the opposite of boring.
Mm-hmm. When you're having fun, that means you are
Happy.
crying.
Happy.
Oh, not crying?
Not crying.
So when you're having fun, that means you are happy. You are always smiling. Right?
Good.
What is good?
Good is
What can you see in the picture?
when we do good things.
Exactly. Good is when you are helping people like him. He is helping his mom carry the things. And then what is she doing?
Is helping the grandma.
She's helping the grandma open
Door.
the door. And then what is he doing?
Got the chair for his mom.
For the pregnant mom. So that is doing good things for other people, helping other people. Okay.
Hot.
What is hot?
It's the opposite of cold.
Yes. Hot can be hot weather, or hot can also be hot coffee.
Yes, hot coffee.
Last one is
Quiet.
quiet. What is quiet?
An opposite of loud.
Loud. Right. So when you're quiet, you speak a lot?
No.
No. When you're quiet, that means you are not talking. So when the teacher says quiet, please, that means nobody should talk. Yeah? Okay. What are our 5 words again?
Fat. Fun. Good. hot, quiet.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Opposite of bad.
Opposite of bad.
Bad. Bad. Bad.
Oh, good.
Mm-hmm. Opposite of cold.
Hot,
Opposite of loud.
quiet.
This is when you're happy, smiling.
Fat,
This is the opposite of thin.
fat.
Very good. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, before we read Goldilocks, let's just do a spelling.
Fat. Fun. Good. Hot.
And
Quiet.
wakey wakey.
Fat.
F-A-T.
F-A-T. Yeah. Fun.
F-U-N.
F-U-N. Yes. Good.
G-O-O-D.
G-O-O-D. Yes. Hot.
H-O-T.
H-O-T. Yes. Quiet.
Q-U.
Q. U.
I-E-T.
I-E-T. Yes. Fat.
Okay, that's it. Quiet is just a
Fat.
difficult word in there.
Oh.
Okay, let's go to our book for today first. So we are still on the what would you do question. Okay, do you see it?
And like it.
Okay, so what would you do if this is your situation? What would you do? What's the question?
What would you do if you heard someone shout, "Stop, thief"?
What would you do?
I'll call the police.
You will call the police, and what will you say to the police?
There's a thief.
There's a thief. We need your help. Okay, the example answer is?
I will try to get in the
Thief's way.
so he couldn't escape.
Will you do that?
No.
That's very dangerous.
What
Okay.
would you do if your dad comes home late every night? I'll be angry.
What will you do to him? You will talk to him and tell him, don't be late every night.
Yes.
Okay.
What would you do if your grades remained high in spite of your best efforts?
Okay, so your grades are always low, even if you try very hard. What would you do? You're gonna cry? So you just have to try harder, right? If your grades are very low, even if you're doing your best, that means you need to do more.
Yes.
Okay. 3?
What would you do if you saw money fall from someone's bag? You
Mm-hmm.
need to give the money to someone.
Yeah, to that someone who left the money, right? Cool.
What would you do if a classmate gave your friend a black eye? Would you
No.
pay your classmates back by hitting him? Or would you be something different?
Your friend have a black eye.
I need to talk to my teacher.
And you'll get, what will you tell your teacher?
My classmate gives a bad eye to my friend.
Mm-mm. You should punish. You should punish him. Like that, right? Okay. Next is, do you believe? Do you believe whatever?
Whatever your parents tell you? No,
Why?
because my dad talked to me not real.
Oh, he is not telling the truth?
Yeah,
What about your mom?
tell the truth.
Good.
Do you believe in ghosts? Yes.
Have you seen Ghost?
No. Do you believe that money can buy anything? No.
No. What money cannot buy?
Mm, thinking?
You cannot buy
Brain.
life. If you are dead, money cannot make you alive anymore,
Do
right?
you
Okay.
believe your parents what they say that they love you and your brothers and sisters equally? I don't have brothers and sisters.
Mm. But do you believe them when they say they love you?
A little.
Just a little? Why? Okay. 5.
Do you believe that self people tell you? No,
Why?
because they they can talk about good things about bad things.
Yeah, they just say, this is really nice, even if it's not, so you will buy it.
Yeah.
Okay, 6.
Do you believe that honesty is always the best policy?
Policy.
I don't know.
Do you believe that you should always be honest?
Not really.
Not really. When should you lie?
When the bad people come.
Yeah,
Lie.
okay, good.
Do you believe that you can succeed if you study hard? I
You
think
can
so.
be successful, okay. What are their excuse? Okay, hmm, that's
Aw.
not okay. Okay, we're gonna go with Goldilocks. And we are already in the part where she is at the penguins
Penguin.
door. Okay.
Read it.
Chapter 5, door number
Behind door
3.
number 3, she gently knocked at the very next door and said, May I please ask a question? A pleasant voice said. Come in, we're in the middle of music session. A
Mm-hmm.
forest of bamboo stretched up the ceiling as Goldilocks pointed within. Looking up, she saw 3 musical pandas playing drums, guitar, and violin.
Ooh.
Want to join us for a meal? Here, have some yummy bamboo. No way, she said. That stuff is gross. I'd rather eat my shoe. We eat 12 pounds of it a day, and now you made us sad. Please go away and don't come back, for next time we'll get mad. Goldilocks thought it's not enough to be patient or as careful as can be. I need to learn to be polite. That's the only remedy.
That's the only remedy. That's the only solution. So,
She
why did
went
you think the bamboo felt sad in this case?
because
What did she say to them?
that stuff is gross.
She said the food that they are eating is gross. Is that a good thing?
No,
No, you should not say to people that or to other animals. Chapter 6.
she went on down the hallway and knocked on number 4. Instead of acting kindly as two Skunks, open up the door. She blew out before she could think. Yuck, I need a breather. Because you smell so awfully bad. That is not polite.
Yeah.
Hey! The skunk replied, you don't smell so good either. When the skunk slammed the door, Goldilocks got upset. I really need to be better. I'm not polite quite yet. At door number 5, she tried harder when she met the lion cried. She said, no thank you. You're much too kind. When they invited her inside, door number 6 opened to a living room full of apes who handed her bananas as they hung upside down from the drapes. Now Goldilocks hated bananas, but instead of saying ew, she thanked the gorillas kindly and asked if they had ever tried bamboo. At the next door, a fox and the wolf said, could you help us water our plants? I love to, but I'm sorry I can't. I got to find my aunts. That is polite.
She's getting better, isn't she?
Yes.
Okay, chapter 7.
The right door finally. At each new door, Goldilocks tried to be patient and careful and kind, until finally, at the end of the hall, was the last door she could find. Come in, came a grumpy voice. When Goldilocks knocked politely, she had learned that people respond even when she knocked lightly. Oh.
Okay.
Goldilocks turned the big doorknob and took a little peek. It was her aunts at the dining door table who were beginning to shriek. Aunt Gritty yelled, where were you? What's the matter? Goldilocks asked. We've been waiting for hours and hours, and you finally arrived at last. Why, what did you bring us for dinner? whined Auntie Emily. You better have some meatloaf because you know I hate soup and stew. Goldilocks reached in the magical bag as Aunt Margaret spilled her drink. Hurry, hurry! And Aunt Petunia, I could eat the kitchen sink. Goldilocks pulled out each item her aunts wanted and dessert. And after the mess of dinner, they all complete that they were tired. She knew it was time to go home. This evening was simply the worst, but just then Goldilocks realized there was something she had to do first.
Okay, so we're gonna end it here. But do you think the aunts are polite also?
No.
Oh, what did they do when Goldilocks arrived?
Where were you?
They shouted at her, where were you? And then they just asked for food. They were not even worried what happened to her. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, that's it. High five. See you tomorrow. Bye, Raim.